Hello friends, here again with e-physics class presented by Fatima Convent High School, myself Dipali. We begin with this series of videos with chapter 10, Light, Reflection and Reflection. We know that the world around us is very beautiful, but do you know what makes it possible to see this beautiful world around us? Yes, the light. The light makes this world visible to us and we find the world beautiful. We see a variety of objects in the world around us. However, we are unable to see anything in a dark room. On lighting up the room, these becomes visible. What makes light visible? What makes things visible? During the day, the sunlight helps us to see objects. An object reflects light that falls on it. This reflected light, which receives by our eyes, enables us to see things. We are able to see through a transparent medium as light is transmitted through it. There are a number of common wonderful phenomena associated with light, such as image formation by mirror, the twinkling of stars, the beautiful color of rainbows, bending of light by the medium, and so on. A study of property of light helps us to explore them. On observing the common optical phenomena around us, we may conclude that light seems to travel in straight line. The fact that a small source of light casts a sharp shadow on the object on an opaque object point to this straight line path usually indicates as a ray of light. So we can understand the properties of light from this. Now if an opaque object on the path of light becomes very small, light has a tendency to bend around it and not walk in a straight line, an effect known as diffraction of light. Then the straight line treatment of optics using ray fall fails. To explain phenomena such as diffraction, light is thought of as a wave, the detail of which you will study in higher classes. Again, at the beginning of the 20th century, it became known that the wave theory of light often became inadequate for treatment of the interaction of light with matter, and light often behaves somewhat like a stream of particles. This confusion about the true nature of light continued for some years till a modern quantum theory of light emerged, in which light is neither a wave nor a particle. The new theory reconciles the particle property of light with the wave nature. In this chapter, we shall study the phenomena of reflection and refraction of light using the straight line propagation of light. These basic concepts will help us in the study of some of the optical phenomena in nature. We shall try to understand in this chapter the reflection of light by spherical mirrors and refraction of light and their applications in real life situations. So, we can understand what is light from this. Light is an electromagnetic radiation that produces sensation in our eyes. What is the nature of this light? A light wave is an electromagnetic radiation. It does not require a medium to propagate, that is, it is a non-mechanical wave. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Wavelength of visible region ranging from 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters to 8 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters is very short to the size of normal object to So, to observe to move in a straight line. And so we feel that the light is moving in a straight line. According to the modern theory of quantum mechanics, it has dual nature, particle nature and wave nature. Properties of light are reflection, refraction, diffraction, dispersion, etc. Phenomena associated with light are twinkling of stars, rainbow formation, image formation by the mirrors, etc. So, did you understand what is light? Now, further in the next session, we are going to understand what is reflection of light. Thank you.